welcome back to my channel, Meevasu. Today's video is all about loads of love that I got from India. I have already mentioned you in my Dollar Tree haul that I purchased the containers to store the items that I'm getting from India. I'm sure that while I unbox this, all the nativity comes out, and because it's all about family that they have sent so much of love to me. I'm so excited, and let's open this together. I hope you are also equally excited like me. Yes. Wow, they packed it so well. I'm so excited to open all the items that I received, and this unboxing is giving me a feel of love and that affection that I'm getting from my family. The first one is my dress. Yay! I can smell my dresses. This is one of the nightwear t-shirt. And one more Wonder Woman. This is one more. This is a palazzo. Two more night pants. Wow, my sarees. I bought only 2 sarees here and I was struggling to use them all the time. The same things I was repeating, so I asked them to send more of traditional wear. All the traditional wear. Oh, my linen sarees. This is also one of my favorite sarees. There's one more. Now I can smell all the food items. These are the books. These are the white notebooks that I asked them to send. I'm waiting for my white long notebooks from long time. I was not finding this white pages books here, and that too in long notebooks. Here I found ruled books and I requested to send white pages books. Puffed rice mixture. Wow. Poha mixture. Atakulu mixture. One more puffed rice. Again puffed rice mixture. They sent so many. This smells like rasam powder. I think it is rasam powder. Chenna powder, Seneca powder. Sure, these are jantikalu. Yes, I am right. These are jantikalu. Amama, super. This is one more powder category. I don't know what these two are, but while I transfer into these containers, then I will see and let you all what are these. This is a rice and dal mixed powder to make the breakfast items out of this. Yeah. These are all turmeric powder, sambar powder, and the red mirchi powder. I don't need to cook any vegetables for the next 6 months, I guess. This is groundnut powder, one of my favorite powder to eat with rice and ghee. Oh, yummy. Can't wait to eat this. It's been exactly 1 year that I moved to US, and for the first time I'm getting something from India. These are the walnut kernels. I know what will be in this box. Kachikayalu. ఇవి కజ్జికాయలు కాదు. This is cashew pakodi. And this is homemade. My granny did this and she sent it to me. My amama is the best cook in the world. Yes, this box is kajikayalu. Yeah. Kajikayalu. I can't stop eating. This is one more cover. Chintakai pachadi. There's one more pickle. I guess this is tomato. I feel like cooking hot rice right away and eating this pickle with my rice. For sure, I will double my weight in next 10 days. Yeah, these are chia seeds. I think this is cashew and badam. I'm just guessing, I'm not sure. Yes, I'm correct. Kismis. Oh. Badam and cashew. One more pickle. This is red mirchi pickle. Pandu mirapakai pachadi. Ivi ariselu. They packed it so well. And the last item in the box is this. Yay, this is hot. So these are the items that I got from India. I hope you were also equally excited to see what I received in my 23 kgs box from India. I hope you all liked this video. I should say this is really so much of love. It's been exactly an year that I came to US and I'm really happy to get all the items from my home and from my dear ones with all of love from them. 90% of the items that I received are homemade and they are done by my amama, atama and my sister-in-law. Thank you amama, thank you atama, thank you Siri, thank you Dilip, thanks everyone. Amama Niku special thanks. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Meevasu. And finally, all the items are moved into their designated boxes that I purchased in Dollar Tree.